very hard movement. I can't say anything. We need the justice because we need the proper investigation and clear investigation because lot of question in our mind and why he shoot only my child. There are the lot of people. If he has the gun, he can shoot 2, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times to anyone. If people are, if he told I am in drug or something, and he can shoot to the even one fire. That's finished. Then he keep the pocket his gun in pocket and go to the in car and no run away from there. He should why he should only one fire there. We asking from the police and the Nick Brown. He's giving the interview on the. We are listening and seeing. He is laughing that time. He is smiling and giving the way. And he told he fight with the Ekam first, then we solve the matter. How the solve the matter in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes? Then someone come and police say it is the randomly they come and attack to the Ekam. But how it is possible? I drive taxi whole day, night time, daytime, but no one I see with the gun people. It is not. It is something inside. Police is hiding from us, and we want clear investigation. My son is very hardworking. We come here in Australia in 2020. That time he was 13-year-old and 14-year-old, and he started the Quaker Hill School in Sydney, and after part-time he helped to the nursing home and go for some work, part-time jobs. He get the domino job, sometimes subway shifts, and he's very hardworking. I always ask him, "Come, you need the money?" He always told me, "No, Papa, I have money. I have money. I have no need." He always collect by himself. He never ask demanding. He's not demanding to me. He know my mother is always work for on the restaurant, and she's hardworking. My father is doing hard work. He's not demanding to us too much, but he is very kind, very honest, and hard work person.
I love child in the community. He was very famous in the friends.
So on behalf of the family, we would like to urge the New South Wales Police to work on this, and we also want to urge the 2 other perpetrators that are still out unarrested to hand themselves in and do the family justice, because the family needs answers. And today, on behalf of the family, we seek for this justice because this is a crime against humanity, a crime against local Newcastle people, and these sort of criminals do not belong in our society. And we will fight till the end for the justice. And we want to thank the whole community for coming together today to pay their last respects to Akam. But he will live in our hearts forever, and he will be cherished by the family for generations to come. But we also want to urge that we need justice, and the justice should serve swiftly and not make the family go through agony of months and months of this waiting. So on behalf of the family, we want to thank everyone for being so kind to the family, and this is a time of mourning, and please show them your love and respect. Thank you.
So we are here to say final goodbye to Ekam, to cherish his life. We can make sure Ekam remembers that his family is still fighting for him to bring justice for his death, and we will not gonna stop until we have the answer and we know who did this, why he did this, what was the reason behind it. We all gonna fight for justice to bring Ekam last tribute so he can rest assured he has rest of his life in peace. Thanks a lot for all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.